starting with the recording. So the first question I am going to ask you, we have done tomorrow the flame. Which is the luminous zone of the flame? Can anyone tell me? Which is the luminous zone of the flame? Only two hands are raising always. Where are rest? Three. So new hand. Yes, Amarjot.
Ma'am, middle zone.
Middle zone. So what are more of the characteristics of these zone? All characteristics क्या है? No, Jabji, it is a middle zone. Luminous is a middle zone. What are the various characteristics of this zone? Yes.
Characteristics of middle zone are that it is not enough O2 is present in this zone and partial combustion takes place over here. It is moderately hot region of the candle and no complete combustion. Unburned carbon particles with carbon monoxide are present in this layer.
Very nice. So let me complete. First of you will tell us that it is a yellowish in color. ठीक बेटे. And it is moderately hot. Why it is moderately hot? Because there is incomplete combustion. Why there is incomplete combustion? Because there is presence of less oxygen, and due to this incomplete combustion, there are black deposits of unburned carbon are present in this zone. Okay, so we have the byproducts. Yes, Jabji, you are writing. Try to speak better always. So, which zone is known as dark zone of the candle? Which zone is known as dark zone? Hurry up. Yes, Jabji, very good. You have raised the hand. Yes.
Inner zone.
Yes, bete, innermost zone is the darkest zone. What are the other characteristics of this zone?
Incomplete combustion, the minimum oxygen.
Yes, or so this is
It
black.
is black in color.
Yes, or
No byproducts.
no byproducts. Why? Why there are no byproducts? Carry on, bete. Hurry up. Chalo, Somil. Yes, Somil.
Yes, no much air or oxygen is available in this zone. No combustion take place in this zone. It is the least hot region of the candle flame. No byproducts are formed. It is the dark zone of the candle.
Okay, very nice. So it is the innermost zone, and we know that it is the darkest zone of the flame. So it is not as much as hot as the other zones are. It consists of unburned vapors of the combustible substance, and there is no combustion, or we can say there is unburned wax available here. So next is, which zone is non-luminous zone? Which zone is the non-luminous zone? Jabji and Pragati has given the answer. बाकी बेटे सो रहे हैं. ईशान, जानवी, मानसवी, प्रभजोत, राघव, सक्षम, तनीषा, तुषार, विरान, Vriti, Chahat, Khyati. Khyati is giving the answer most of the time. Parthiv, Varman, Avdi, Navkaran. Where are you all? Only two hands are raising. Now Saksham will give the answer. Yes, Saksham. You are requested to unmute. Saksham, are you there? Yes, Saksham, give the answer. Saksham. Khyati is already given the answer. All are giving the chat box. Saksham, you are unmuted to give the answer. Now Janvi will give the answer. Janvi. Yes, Jabji is already given the answer. They are sleeping somewhere. Rhythm is saying, I tell yes, Rhythm, then go on.
Outermost zone.
Wow. What are the other characteristics of this zone? Outermost zone.
There is plenty of oxygen available in this zone, so there is complete combustion of the substance. If there is complete combustion of the substance, heat and light is produced. This zone is blue in color.
It is a blue in color. Here it is a complete combustion. Due to complete combustion, maximum heat and light is produced. And this, now next question comes from this zone only. That which zone Goldsmith used to melt or mold the pieces of gold and silver into the desired shape? Again the same hands, again the same answers. Yes, Khyati.
Outermost region is used by the goldsmith to melt gold as it is the hottest region of all.
Very good. So hottest region, that is the outermost region he used to produce to melt the molds of the silver or gold kind of jewelry. So what kind of substance? What kind of substance? Like, let me ask like this way. You are given with kerosene. Listen to me carefully. You are given with kerosene, wax, wood, coal, and coke. Which of the substance will produce flame and which will not? The options are, again I am saying that take kerosene, wax, wood, coal, and coke. Hurry up. Which of the following you have kerosene? One by one. Does kerosene will produce flame? No. Why no? You haven't seen kerosene lamps. So it has flame or not? They have. Your voice is not audible, but kerosene will definitely produce flame as it consists of volatile substance. Now wax. Does wax produce flame? Only one hand is raised for this kind of question. Yes.
No, ma'am.
Wax doesn't produce flame.
Ma'am, yes, it is produced.
Yes. It will produce. We have seen the candle in which the wax
Yes,
is
ma'am.
producing the flame. Does wood
Due to the gases. Gases exchange.
there are volatile substances which are obtained when the wax is heated. So wood will produce flame or not? Yes, Khyati.
No, ma'am.
Wood.
No.
Ma'am, no.
Wood will not produce. घर में जब हम wood लोड़ी जलाते हैं तो कितनी बड़ी flame होती है उसकी?
Yes, ma'am, it will produce. Yes, yes.
इतनी बड़ी ऊपर तक जा रही होती है. और हम कह रहे हैं
Okay,
flame
ma'am.
नहीं है. ये तो सब घर पे चलती है, हम देखते हैं वुड कितना ऊपर तक इधर चिंगारी ऊपर तक जा रही होती है, हम कह रहे हैं फ्लेम ही नहीं आ रही है। नाउ कोल एंड कोक, डज कोल एंड कोक प्रोड्यूस फ्लेम?
No, ma'am.
No, coal and coke will not produce flame.
Yes.
This kind of question you should know. Now I am giving you as a homework, and tomorrow this kind of question will be again asked. Now I am giving you 2 more material, and you will tell me tomorrow which of the following produce flame. The materials are magnesium ribbon, charcoal, camphor, and biogas. Write down magnesium ribbon, charcoal, camphor, and biogas. Now you will be telling me which of them will be producing flame. This is the homework. Now, what is the criteria of the ideal fuel? Who will tell me? What is the criteria of ideal fuel? Hurry up. You will raise the hand for the same. You will not write in the chat box. Only Rhythm is raising now. Jant has already raised. Yes, Jant.
It should have high calorific value. It
Yes.
should be cheap.
Yes.
Shouldn't produce much. It should be easy to transport it from one place to another.
Or you have told 3 lines, 3 points only. So 3 points told by Jant are, it should be having high calorific value. So Rhythm wants to tell more points. First, Rhythm tell.
Yes, ma'am. It shouldn't be producing much residue.
Yes.
It do not produce any residue.
So conclude the points. Only residue wala hai.
Should be safer to handle.
Yes. So it should be safer to handle. It shouldn't produce any residue. It must have high calorific value. It must be cheap. It
Yes, must be.
doesn't give much of the byproduct. It shouldn't give much of the ash. So many points we can
मैम
write.
रेसिड्यू और एश तो एक ही होते हैं.
Yes, residue ऐसे एक ही होते हैं. Next, और so Japji is writing, it shouldn't produce any harmful substance.
Yeah. Like carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, oxides of nitrogen.
Yes. So who will tell me now the
etc.
different, next question we will cover. Who will tell me what are the different type of fuels?
Ma'am, I can tell.
Rhythm, you will tell all the answers. Let others should tell also. They are sleeping somewhere. Amarjot.
Ma'am, मैं chat box में लिख रहा हूँ.
Chat box, I got so many answers. Yes, Amarjot. What are the
Yes,
3
ma'am.
types of fuels? What are the 3 types of fuel? What are the 3 states of matter? Yes. Amarjot, what are the 3 states of matter? Again, you are muted. Yes, bete. See, they are again sleeping somewhere. Yes, Kritika, no, Rhythm will not give the answer. All the answers are given by Rhythm. Yes, Kritika.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am.
Amarjot, you want to give
Yes.
then go. Give.
Ma'am, Coke,
Beta, I am asking
Coke.
you type of the fuels. How many type of the fuel? The type of the fuel are beta solid fuel, gaseous fuel, and liquid fuel.
Okay.
ठीक है? There are solid,
Yes, ma'am.
liquid, and gaseous. Now give me the example of solid fuel, Amarjot. Now you can carry out with your example. So what are the example of solid fuel? Solid चीज कौन सी होती है रिया?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Example of solid
Ma'am,
fuel.
solid. Ma'am, solid के wood,
Yes.
charcoal, coke, coal.
Very nice. Cow dung cakes. So many
Liquid की
examples
ma'am
are there.
kerosene.
Kerosene is a liquid fuel.
Liquid की kerosene.
Hmm.
Liquid ma'am,
Petrol.
liquid की kerosene, petrol, diesel, alcohol.
Gaseous.
Ma'am, petroleum gas,
हाँ,
coal
LPG घर
gas,
पे आ रही है, CNG घर पे आ रही है.
biogas.
These are the examples. Pragati, I am seeing your answers, but really try to give the answer directly always. I am seeing your chat box, Pragati, Japji, Rhythm, Kritika writing in the chat box. I am seeing it. So the next question is, what is calorific value? Yes, Kritika. What is calorific value? Yes, Kritika.
Ma'am, it is the energy of the fuel which is measured by the heat produced by the complete combustion of the fuel. Ma'am, it is expressed in joules per kilogram.
Kilogram per joules. Joules per kilogram. Define it again. How you have defined it, Bete? Define it again.
Ma'am, calorific value is the energy contained in the fuel which is determined by the heat produced by the complete combustion of the fuel. And it is expressed in joules per kilogram.
Bete, your answer, chalo, you have given the answer, but it is not complete answer. Who will complete it? फिर मैं आपके आंसर में जो रॉन्ग है वो बताऊंगी. यस यस रिदम. Now, see, bete, it is heat produced by complete combustion of 1 kg of the fuel. If you are not mentioning 1 kg of the fuel, you will not get any marks. क्योंकि जब कैलोरीफिक वैल्यू किसी की निकाली जाती है, दैट इज अ डेफिनेट कैलोरीफिक वैल्यू, दैट इज नॉट चेंज्ड. ठीक है बेटे, दैट विल नॉट बी चेंज्ड. तो आपको कैसे निकाली जाती है? 1 kg, मैंने 1 kg वुड का लिया, 1 kg कोल का लिया, 1 kg चारकोल का लिया, उसके बाद मैंने कैलोरीफिक वैल्यू निकाली. आई हैव taken a specific amount of a substance. If you are not mentioning 1 kilograms, then you will be not getting any marks. So now you must remember the values of different fuels, calorific value of the different fuels. So starting with first, I will ask few of you and rest of you will learn other values. So first value I want to ask of LPG. What is the calorific value of LPG? Yes, Amarjot. Very nice.
Ma'am, 55,000 kg per kilogram.
Okay, very nice. Other one, CNG.
Ma'am, 50,000.
Very nice. So you are knowing all about. Now next is burning of fuel produces harmful product, isn't it? So what are the harmful products produced by burning of the fuel?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, Rhythm, carry out.
Okay. It produces sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide, oxides of nitrogen.
और
मैम वैसे तो सब में ही होता है. Smoke.
smoke, suspended particles,
Acid rain.
acid rain होते हैं इन सबके कारण. So what is the consequence of this harmful product which are released by incomplete combustion of a fuel? So can you tell me what are the consequences? Which fuel? I must ask which pollutant will cause respiratory problems? Yes, Kritika. In this, but in this particular, which pollutant? Yes, Amarjot.
Ma'am, sulfur dioxide.
हाँ, बट इस केस में हम कार्बन पार्टिकल्स भी बोल सकते हैं क्योंकि सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड यस इट इज अ पोल्यूटेंट बट ज्यादातर कंबशन होती है तो सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड बाई प्रोडक्ट नहीं होता इन केस ऑफ कंबशन. यह सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड के साथ आप कार्बन पार्टिकल्स भी बोलोगे. हाउ कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड इज पॉइजनस टू अ ह्यूमन बीइंग? नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. How carbon monoxide is poisonous to human beings? Yes, Kritika.
Ma'am, it causes various respiratory problems.
Carbon
When-
monoxide doesn't causes respiratory problem. It causes
Carbon monoxide-
suffocation. Now, how it
Yes, ma'am.
produces suffocation?
Ma'am, when carbon monoxide is breathed, it replaces the oxygen in the blood and also deprives the heart, brain, and other vital organs of oxygen. Large amount of CO2 can overcome in minutes without harming, but can also cause
No,
unconsciousness
bete,
and
carbon
suffocation.
monoxide, I am asking, how it is poisonous to us? Pragati is a given. No, it will not form oxyhemoglobin. Yes, anyone other? Yes, Ridham.
Ma'am, about carbon monoxide, it is causes due to the burning of fuel due to the incomplete combustion of the substance. It causes when it is combined with hydrogen, it becomes
No,
carboxyhemoglobin.
bete, it will combine with the hemoglobin. Carbon
Oh, sorry, ma'am.
monoxide will
Hemoglobin
combine with the hemoglobin. It will form
form carboxyhemoglobin, and due to this, the person can be suffocated and it kills the person.
So you can write carbon monoxide will be reacted with the hemoglobin and form carboxyhemoglobin and thus reduces the blood carrying capacity of oxygen.
Yes.
The oxygen can be carried and the person can get suffocated and at the end the person can also be killed, we can say, by this formation of carboxyhemoglobin. So now tell me how carbon dioxide causes global warming. Who will tell me? Yes, Sarthak. From tomorrow all will be participating. Yes, Sarthak. And tomorrow we will discussing the question of friction.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Sarthak, he is not able to unmute.
Excess of carbon dioxide comes from the burning of fuels, which cause greenhouse global effect. Due to this, the ice caps melt. It
How? I have asked how.
change the climate
How?
pattern.
How?
Ma'am, due to the increase of heat,
You can say
increase of heat,
side will trap the heat
uh,
of the sun
yes, sunlight
and doesn't
from
allow
the sun,
it
it to release.
So what will happen?
And due to this, there is high temperature in the atmosphere, in the surroundings, and due to this, ice caps are being melted.
So many,
Also, there is change in the climate pattern.
so many. So 3 question can
It
be
affect the agriculture, etc.
rhythm 3 question can be formed. How global warming is caused? It is caused due to greenhouse gases. How the greenhouse gases causes global warming? Then you will tell it is trapping the sun heat and doesn't allow it to escape. And what is the
And see, global warming कहते हैं ना,
Hanji?
the trapping of the heat of the sunlight and do not allow it to escape. This is
Yes.
known as.
Yes. Next is, what is acid rain and how it is formed? Again, one hand only. Ishan will give the answer. Yes, Ishan. No, today is no science revision test. All are sleeping somewhere. You are having revision test from next Tuesday. आपने मैसेज आपकी क्लास इंचार्ज ने डाला नहीं है कि 25th से आपके रिवीजन टेस्ट स्टार्ट है. So tomorrow is 25th, not today is to 24th. How can you have revision test today? You're not able to see the messages in the group. It is mentioned that, and yesterday I have written on the board itself. You have 2 revision tests. One will be in the Google form and other one will be the subjective one. There your answer is correct. And we will be meeting tomorrow with the friction.